So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Toca boca pack. I know I'm kind of late, and my voice sounds really weird because I have a cough and I'm still a bit sick, so ignore if I cough randomly. So I kind of built in it a bit. It looks a bit weird. It's not like the best, but like yeah. So I did a few like shorts on it, but now I'm making a video review on it. So I think it's really cute. I love the fact that like it gives you these leaves, and also there's like the new candy thing. Let me get it. Like the trick-or-treating candy thing. Okay, let me get it. It's down here. Okay, here we go. We got it. So if anyone comes, you know what? Let me get some trick-or-treaters right now. Oh my gosh, I sound horrible. Okay, let me get some people to trick-or-treat. Also, I want to change. Can you change the doorbell? You can't change the doorbell. I thought you could change the doorbell because there's like a new one. I kind of forgot. No, I think it's here. Is it here? I think it might be the bottom here. Oh yes, it is. But you can't put it here, obviously, because I don't think it lets you. That'd be. I mean, it's very small. There. Anyway, I'm just gonna give them candy. There we go. Okay. Very random, but okay, let's go upstairs and we're gonna start building. And yeah, sorry guys, this is meant to be a review. Okay guys, so this is the top floor. I think it's very cute. I might make this room the bathroom. I don't know. This outside balcony could also definitely be don't really know. I've seen like I know in my 5-star hotel I have a bathroom on the balcony, but like this one's, I don't know, like I just don't want to put the bathroom here. I don't know. Oh, maybe I can. Let's see. Let's get this so maybe like you can kind of block it. Let's get something here. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. And then we can get like, what kind of toilet should I get? I think I should get this toilet. This one's nice. Oh, you know what? That's like too crazy. Let me get this one. And oh, you know what? Should I even make this the bathroom? I don't know. Okay, first we're gonna go over here. I think we're gonna make this their bedroom. So we're gonna go get something. Here, we're gonna go get a bed. We're gonna get this bed, and we're going to. Okay, guys, sorry, I just had to cut that out. But I think they're also. I don't know. Should I get them a baby or not? I don't know. I don't know with this house. Okay. I think I'm just gonna add a rug. And I'm gonna get like this. I think this one, it matches quite nice. And also I want to change the wallpaper because I want to change it to the one downstairs. believe it's this one. I don't know. Yeah, I think it is. I'm gonna change everything to it. Okay, I think this looks great. Wait, now we need to do the floors. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this. Is that my mouth? Oh my gosh. That sounds so weird. Okay. And I'm gonna change the floors to this as well. This is really cute. You know what? I feel like I don't like this idea. I'm gonna change it up. So, I guess we're gonna get like this here, even though it's really random. I just wanted to add it. This, I guess, and have a little seating area. I'm gonna add a plant and we're gonna add some lamps. Oh wait, that's not a plant, that's like a ceiling thing. Okay, I think I'm gonna add this. This is really cute. I just don't like this actually. I think I'm gonna add a little table here, since that would be really cute. No, not this table. I need like a better fitting. I need a better fitting one for this aesthetic. No, that's like a bathroom thing. This is nice. Okay, and then we can put like... Oh wait, let's get something from here. No, that's like a bathroom thing. I think this is nice. Actually, no, I don't like it. Okay guys, I know this is taking quite long, so you can just skip this part if you want, but yeah, so this is kind of a review slash a speed, not speed, this isn't very fast, is it? Speed, build. Sorry, guys. Okay. I think this rug would be nice. And oh, you know what I should add? Since like obviously they need like a washing machine and like there isn't much space for that. I mean, I know there's this room and this room, but obviously one of them I'm gonna make into the bathroom, so. And one of them is going to be a bedroom, one of them is going to be something else. So, I think... Here, let me get it. This, perfect. No, that's too high up. And then we can get this. Put this here. Get this. 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 And this. Perfect. Have all the cleaning supplies. I feel like I do this in every Toca house I make. Because like, I just want to make it realistic, you know? Okay, what should I do on this side? Should I add this? Oh yeah, let me add another TV. Oh no. I have a TV downstairs already. Okay, this is nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna add curtains because this is like, if I'm honest, this is way too much open space. And you know what? I think I'm gonna make this like a big family. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. So I think this is gonna be like a big family. So I'm just gonna add like a daughter, I guess. Okay, so let me add like a chair. Oh, you know what? Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna get this chair. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get... You know what? I'll get this table. And then we're gonna add a bed next to it. Because that's what I do with a lot of my houses. Well, I used to do. Now I just show like crazy... Like, not crazy things. Just like very random. Okay, this is perfect, but you know what? I feel like I want a different bed. So this should be the perfect bed. Then I want to get some shelves. Okay, what should I get? No, not that. I feel like this should be perfect. Let's get these. Okay, these. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay, you know what, I'll add shelves on this side, so then I can add like posters on that side. Or paintings. So let's add like this. Oops, I did that one totally on accident. Okay. Let's get all of these. Perfect. Okay. Oh my gosh, my voice. Okay, anyway guys, I'm just gonna get a wardrobe now. Not that one. Okay, sorry guys. I think I'm gonna get this one. This one's really nice. And I'm also going to get... No. I don't think that's the thing I should have. Okay, there we go. That. Wait, should I have it? Yeah, I'll have it on this side. Okay, I think this is a good idea. It just like the rocks, they just match the crazy posters. So I thought I'd like it. I think I've only used this one other time. And that was like in my old Toca boca house. Not old. Just like from like, I don't even know, like 6 months ago. So I'm gonna kind of take inspiration from my house to this. I'm gonna give some inspiration from my house. So this is kind of what my house looks like. I mean, no, this is not how my house looks like. It's just like what kind of stuff I have. So I have like this thing, and I have flowers and glasses on it, and this just like a pink one though, not the checkered pattern or whatever it is. Wait, no, let me move it over here so it's not like really in the corner. And this as well. Okay, I think I'm also going to give her this phone as well. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a girl anyway. I'm going to give her an iPad. Oopsies. Okay, this looks perfect. Guys, I think I'm going to end it here. I think I'm going to end that part here. So we're going to move on to the next part. So I think this should be the bathroom. Bathroom, like, it can be quite basic. So all we need is this and this. Like, literally, that's all we need. Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna get a mirror. I'm gonna get a stand-up mirror, since I think I'm gonna have enough space. I don't know why. Actually, let me not get a stand-up mirror. Maybe I can put the stand-up mirror in this room. Oh, that's actually a perfect spot. Okay, now I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. I think this would be good. I'm gonna get a small mirror. We're gonna get this mirror. This one looks really nice. And I'm gonna get I'm gonna get this. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to do something. Okay. I think we need some lights. Or let's get like, we need a shelf, obviously. Let's just get this one. I don't really mind the color. Actually, no, I do. I was gonna be blazy, but I don't want to. Okay, let's get this. Sorry guys, I don't know why I keep coughing. Earlier I was fine. Okay guys, I'm just not gonna talk for a bit. Okay, guys, I think the bathroom's kind of done. I know it's very small and basic, but I don't know what else to do with it. Let me add some lights around here as well. Let me get this one. This one's really cute. I don't know, guys, I don't know why I decided to add another TV, I just wanted to. Because there's like not much space. I mean, there's a lot of space. I just don't know what to do with it. You know what? Let me put on some music as well. Okay guys, I think I prefer this one. Just, I like it more. Okay, I like this definitely. I'm gonna add some paintings. And, yeah. I kind of forgot that I have to finish all of this in one video, which is crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do with this area. I think I'm just going to have to make it like, I don't know. Just like this, I guess. And then put like a few seats and stuff. Or you know what I can do? I just had a great, brilliant idea. Since there's so much space up here. Let's get, wait, where is it? Oh, here it is. There it is. Got a fireplace. Okay, that's perfect. Let's add it closer to here though. Because I feel like it'd be more nice here. And then we can just add this here. can just add this here and guess put a bunch of plants and seats. I know it's kind of a fire hazard that there's a plant on top of fireplace, but this is Toca Boca. Please, just let me have fun. Okay. We're gonna put in even more plants, because why not? And then we're gonna get even more plants, because why not? What's it gonna change? Just makes it look more cutesy. More plants. I want more plants. Okay, basically half this house is plants now. I'll have to cut something out because I accidentally swiped off my thing. And I do not want to be lazy and just not do it. So, I think I'm going to make this even bigger family by adding another room. So this is going to be the boys' room. Okay. Okay. Let's see, what should I do? Let me do this. Let me get... Okay, let me get... No, I want to get this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this. Let me get this as well. So this is the kind of style I'm going for. Don't know why it's glitching like that. Anyway, I'm just gonna put this out here. I might as well make the boys' very own bathroom, so. Let me just do this. Why is Toca glitching? My Toca's glitching. My Toca is glitching! Okay, you know what, let's just do the bath first. Since, oh, that is a hot tub. Or jacuzzi, I don't know. Get this. Oh my, how did that even... Okay, there we go. Now, we're gonna get a sink. Okay, perfect. I don't know what else to do for this room. I think we're gonna do another mirror though. Because why not? I'm gonna get this because it's just like a little moon and it looks cool. And we're gonna get a bin because apparently wait, why aren't there bins over here? I just realized. There we go. Done. And one more bin here. I'm just gonna make this a dog one since they're all cats. Okay. I think I did quite well with this. It's not quite done yet though. I mean, it's basically almost done, so I'm gonna end the video soon. I don't know why I'm just adding this. Okay. Oh my gosh. My voice sounds so blocked. I don't know why. It just sounds like that. Okay. Okay, this looks perfect. We're gonna add this stuff. Okay. I think this is almost done. All I need is plants now. And I guess I'll add lights after. Guys, by the way, I just woke up. Like, I just woke up, so probably why I sound weird. Okay, this is cute. You know, if there were a challenge where I couldn't say cute, I would be out on the first round. Like, I would be out on the first second. Okay, I think I'm done. Okay, well, I'm gonna end it here now, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.